From visitmysmokies.com, it's the Funcast. And yes, we are utilizing lasers to have some fun here. Laser Port Fun Center. That's one of 8 adrenaline-pumping attractions that you'll find. This is a story that's in our Things to Know section of visitmysmokies.com. Now, we're talking adrenaline of all sorts. Well, we brought you lasers. What about zorbing? That's a part of this story also. There are zorbing tracks at the outdoor gravity park. Pulse-pounding, heart-pumping fun like Donnellys Splash Country. The swift water run, you hop in the raft, and you hold on tight because you're going to be doing a lot of this back and forth through your time there at Splash Country, which does open up as we head into this weekend. May 19th is the big day. Donnellys Splash Country opens up. I'm your Smoky Mountain meteorologist, Paul Poteet, keeping track of all of this fun that's going on this weekend and some shower chances that we'll talk about in just a few moments. The rest of spring and summer, people will be splashing out at Donnellys Place. So, yeah, that's a definite sign of the season. Also happening this weekend, a sign of spring, the Chevy Classic Roundup. And it features hot cars, fast times. Gives fans of classic Chevys a chance to interact with other people. Nearly 200 vintage 1955, 1956, 1957 Chevrolets making their way to the Great Smoky Mountains. It all happens around the Inn at Christmas Place. So you'll see cars this weekend. You'll see artists this weekend, too, and smell barbecue, too. That's because it's Bloomin' barbecue and Bluegrass time, Friday and Saturday in Sevierville. Artists and those who have a little art in their heart will love the all-new Chalk on Bruce event during the festival. They are creating some epic street art along Bruce Street. There's a late-night jam you can get in on Friday night, presented by Dolly Parton's Stampede. And the jam takes place the night of Friday, the 18th, Courthouse Donuts in downtown Sevierville. It's a great way to keep the music going until 2 a.m. 2 a.m.? By the way, Dollywood has a barbecue and bluegrass festival that takes place starting May 25th. Free concerts throughout the park, along with the food, along with the fun. You always get a forecast, too. Let me put it on the burner and turn it up high again. You know, a normal high this time of year around the Smokies is mid-70s. Yep, every single one of those days have been above average. Tropical moisture is still a part of the weather pattern for us, especially as we head into the weekend. By the time we get into Saturday and Sunday, the rain chances may diminish, but Friday could be tricky with lots of rain around. And then after that, a daily chance of at least some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Don't cancel your plans after Saturday, but just keep an eye to the sky. And when the thunder roars, go indoors. Low to mid-80s, as you see there, for high temperatures all the way through our forecast period. I'm back soon with another update from visitmysmokies.com.